Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your October money read. Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most to have a fabulous and abundant October. Thank you. So, Scorpio, let's take an Ganesha Oracle card first, as Lord Ganesha is the god of prosperity and abundance. So, let's see what Lord Ganesha can bless you with, and then we'll take an angel blessing card as well, and then start our reading. So the card Lord Ganesha has for you is, wait, let me open this as well, we'll take them together. My angels, a card for Scorpio, please. Belonging, okay, and blessings of abundance. Wow, Scorpio, two beautiful cards. You are going to be blessed with so many blessings of abundance that if you've been feeling a bit lost, you've been feeling, not having enough, you will recapture that feeling of belonging now, which is beautiful, beautiful cards. And let's see why they came out. Let's do your reading now and see how they're going to resonate and how you can achieve the sense of belonging and the blessings of abundance now. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your love and comments. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and yes, join us. We meet here weekly, monthly, weekends, and we would love to have you with us. So Scorpio, made some decision it seems, Scorpio, no longer at crossroads. So what's this decision getting made, or have you made it already? The first card I have for you is the King of Wands. Okay, action seeker. Eight of Cups and the Eight of Swords. Taking some fast forward action going forth, Scorpio. What is this regarding? And in the past I have the Eight of Cups in reverse. So somebody returned, or you want to return back to something in the past. But now I see you full of energy, full of drive, wanting to take on new projects and rushing towards making your dreams come true. So what's this King of Wands spirit? What's this King of Wands? King of Wands for Scorpio, please. Okay, one more. You were worried about a partnership, Scorpio? Were you worried about, you having sleepless nights, tense, worried about some kind of a partnership that you had, and it was regarding your abundance and success. So why was Scorpio so worried, Spirit? These are nice cards of partnership, security, wealth, and abundance. The Empress is here as well, representing fertility and growth. So what happened in the past, Spirit, to make them feel this way? Okay, so something or somebody you felt was not putting in enough effort. You felt the investment wasn't enough. There was somebody in your life who was, there were some changes you made. You made some decisions. There were some decisions you made after a loss, right? You made some losses and now you're returning back to your power. You're taking a fresh leap of faith here. You are, beautiful cards, Scorpio, all of them. You are moving forward passionately now. In the past, you returned back to a state of being after feeling that things were not enough. Right? Now you're clear on your path, you're taking a fresh leap of faith. You are now, maybe for some time, you were a bit worried about this, but I see now, you are full of passion, King of Wands, Two of Cups, great partnership, the Empress representing again fertility and growth, and the King of Pentacles, which is again security. So you are strong now, Scorpio. You are saying, hey, I'm going to bring justice back to my life and I'm not giving up. I'm going to fight one more fight, right? So what? Whatever happened in the past happened. I'm not giving up, right? I'm going to stand here tall and proud and I'm going to fight for what I need and I'm going to get it. And you are. There's a lot of beautiful cards in your present um, position here, I see, and plus the blessings of abundance and a feeling of belonging. Wow. So, Spirit, what's this Knight of Swords then? What's this Knight of Swords coming up? What's this Knight of Swords? What I feel it's some fast moving action. Oops, 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 oops. That's too fast, Spirit. Okay. Yeah. You're turning your back to the past now, Scorpio, from what I feel. And you are charging ahead now to make your dreams a reality. You're not giving up and you are seeing things, I think, starting to fructify. This is a fresh leap of faith that you're taking and you're not giving up. Whatever didn't work out in the past kept you a little sad, maybe just very briefly, but you've picked yourself up again because you've made this decision now for yourself, right? You've made a decision here, you've made a decision here, and a fresh new chapter of your life is beginning, Scorpio. You're closing out the old, starting a brand new chapter, and believe it or not, yes, you are manifesting justice in your life, right? A passionate new beginning coming into your life. You're moving ahead, passionate in terms of work, finances, blessings. Wow. Yes, here it is. Spirit is saying, hold on to this, hold on to this. This is in your holding on position. Spirit says, hold on to this wand of yours. You are very powerful. This card has now come in twice, right? Ace of Wands, and you have the King of Wands here as well. This spirit is saying, hold on to this passion that you have inside you, that, hey, I'm not going to give up. I am going to make it one way or the other. Whatever happened in the past happened. I'm going to bring back justice to my life. I am a winner and I will always remain a winner. Yeah, you're coming out of the stuck position now. If you've been stuck for a long time, Scorpio, if you've been, kind of troubled, you are now enlightened to your path forward and you are coming out of being stuck in a place where you had no movement, right? So let's see what should you let go of. Let go of the feeling that things have stalled and there is no movement forward, right? Briefly, Scorpio, you may have felt that way. You felt stuck, you were upset, you felt you were in a hangman's place, but Spirit is saying it's time now to let go of this feeling, Scorpio. Things are going to move forward so fast that even a thought, see, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Yes, no more being in hermit mode. First of all, come out of this space. Don't hang on to this because see what's coming up in your future. Ace of Pentacles. Fresh, new start. So don't hold on to this anymore. Let go of this feeling of being in a hermit zone, feeling nothing's going to move. Now nothing's, it's all over. Spirit saying let go of that totally and look forward to your new beginning now. Let's see what's going to be your biggest blockage. Your biggest blockage is feeling that you will never ever have complete abundance once again. It's how you feel, right? You have to change your mindset because otherwise it'll become blockage. If you stay in these troubled thoughts for too long, Scorpio, you will make it a blockage. Spirit is advising you that move away from these troubled thoughts now. Look how the water's all wavy and troubled, and this person is rowing his boat away to calmer times. So exactly the same way you have to do it in your thoughts now. Don't stay in this place where you're thinking negative, that I can never make it again, and transform these thoughts to feel, I'm now going to a calm place where I'm going to have complete riches, happiness, abundance, prosperity. Don't make the past failure or blockage or whatever happened in the past become a blockage in your heart. Okay? So let's see how people see you. People see you as a bit heartbroken, Scorpio. They feel you've had a bad run maybe in the past, and they feel things didn't work out for you. But they also see you as a hero. They see you as a hero, that Scorpio is one person who is going to is become victorious again. Maybe Scorpio had a bad run in the past and things didn't go very well for Scorpio, but look at Scorpio again, back on the horse, and not just on any horse. This is the victors, right? Head and shoulders above everybody else. So Scorpio's back on his uh, you know, back in power basically, and back having the Ten of Pentacles. That's how people are seeing you. That is so good, Scorpio. So glad for you. You could pick yourself up so fast and come back into, your power. You're back in control here. Or at least you're going to be in the month of October. All these heartbreaks and everything is going to be over, and people are going to see you now as this having the Ten of Pentacles, everything in order back again. Feeling once again that you belong right here on the horse, which is the leader's horse basically. Look at this. This is how people are going to be viewing you in October, with the Ten of Pentacles next to it. Let's see now what Spirit's secret advice to you. Spirit's secret advice to you is the Strength in reverse. So Spirit is saying that don't hold on too harsh. Okay. Spirit is saying don't listen to any gossip mongers around you. Okay, there'll be a lot of people who may say things or whatever which will kind of make you feel weak, or people may say things to you which may make you feel bad, right? So Spirit says don't hold on to their words or their feelings or anything that they say. You are not to listen to anyone who is a mischief maker in your life. Right? People may be spying on you, people may be trying to see what you're doing, people may be saying things to you and trying not to make sure that you don't win. But Spirit is saying don't hold on to that at all. And also when you get your victory, Scorpio, don't go in that mind space to feel, oh, I've got it now and I'm never going to get it again, so I'm going to hold on to it with all my might. It's best to have a free flow, right? If you hold on very tight also, sometimes you stop the flow of energy. So that's another strong message coming your way. And Spirit is also saying that now you have to be very mindful of the people you interact with. Be very clear, have boundaries set now, Scorpio, of who are the people who are allowed in your zone, who are not, who are beneficial to you, and who are the ones who are going to now create problems in your life. Now I think, Scorpio, you've learned your lesson. There's no reason at all to feel weak anymore. You are going to be supremely victorious. Justice is in your favor. Yeah. Walk away now. You have to walk away from all these people who were trying to, manipulate you, or they were trying to steal from you, or they were trying to make you feel less than. Just walk away from all these people. Walk away from even thoughts of these people now. Don't even think. When you think of, what happened to you in the past, sometimes you start to doubt yourself, right? So don't even think about it. You are in a great place right now, Scorpio. You have the blessings of abundance on their way for you. You are going to feel once again you belong on your rightful throne, right? Justice will prevail. So don't worry about it. You're moving into a brand new chapter of your life. Forget about the past and keep moving with confidence. Okay? Love and light. Take care. I will see you now for your love read, Scorpio. Till then, namaste.